Hi, how are you? This is Paul Fan, and today I'm going to show you how to set up the custom opt-in page from the Powerly system. First, you go to the Powerly system administration page by companyadmin.com and type your username and your password and click login. After you log in the system, well, you'll see the dashboard, which is green means you already pay, and red is mean you are not that member yet. As you can see, I'm gold member. I'm not diamond and platinum yet. I will once I have more income to pay for the membership. So far, my membership is around $50 per month. Okay, but today I'm going to talk about is setting up the capture page manually instead of using the share code. And again, you can always use the share code if you like to, because share code is something already pre-designed. It's something very good, for example, I have a share code free access at paulfan.com, something very good. Money never sleep, but you can. How to build massive passive income and with the time, and show me, and with upping the first name, email. That's very good. But what if you want to create something different? And this is this video I'm going to show you. So let's go back to the back end here. And in the back end, basically, I want to do is, I'm sorry, here. Let me move to tab to here. I want to do is go to the capture page you create. All right. And from this page, you will see this create web page 2 option with a custom template or with a blank template, sorry, for advanced user. So you're gonna do is for the basic one, unless you want to play along, you can choose second one. I will have a tutorial for that in future. But right now I'm going to using the custom template, and I'm going to use the opt-in form. And the second option does not use the opt-in form. You want to have an opt-in form so user can enter the name and the email. Unless you want something to show the video, you can do that. Just like one, you want to just show the video, but I want to have opt-in form. And you can see so many different options. And I can just tell you, my favorite option is always with a video. I don't really think the text only opt-in page will convert better than a video. Maybe they are as good as a video, but sometimes my experiences with video, people is more interesting to at least pause for a couple seconds to look at it. So I'm gonna choose something with video, and there are so many things with video. It's just my preference. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can explore a little bit, but I personally think for some of the video option here, for example, they require you to enter the telephone number. This is what I mean. First name, email, telephone number. And if you choose this one, I thought that they have an option for you to remove the telephone number, but I don't see any option for me to remove telephone number or for me to add another. See, I don't see anything here. Okay, so that's why I do not choose this one, although I love this background very much. Okay, so let's go back to the selection page. That's why I didn't choose those, pretty nice looking. So I have to choose the something with just name and email, and like this, I'm not sure you can see that. Okay, this was name and email. This is name and email. Just suppose this is name and email. I choose this one because I like blue, and you can see that I have a name and email. And this is a opt-in code. That's a standard. Every opt-in page Powerly provide have this opt-in code. I was wondering why takes so extra step to enter login code. The reason is because there are so many auto login software like GSA search engine optimization. There are so many software. That's just one of them. I happen to be used that currently as well, just for the SEO purpose, search engine optimization. This is preventing the software get into the system and log in automatically, because I do have the software that able to log into somebody's blog and breaking their captcha. So not sure this is effective, but at least for the basic software, it's not as powerful like a GSSCR software. They cannot break into. They probably have to guess what is this and give up and go away. So this is just proof that you are the human. But I know there are so many software right now can even break in the those pictures. Identify what picture has a cow, what picture has a water. And you can actually also pay the subscription to have that. That is additional services. You buy the software to break in, but you have to buy another software to actually break in those catch-up. But anyway, that's out of this topic. I'm just trying to say that at least you need to have some kind of protection for protect those 50% of the machine, at least 50, maybe 70, 80, I don't know. A machine does not be able to break in this to prevent them to register, so you don't have too much of junk subscriber. That's what I'm trying to say. Or you can just make sure that you purchase the traffic from a good source like a Human Cyborg, MLM. These, those are good. Some of the solo ads is good, but I was warned by some of the gurus say some solo ads vendor. As you know, solo ads, they put a banner over there and people click, but I was heard that some solo ad, they have a vendor, they put the machine and the human being click same time for you. So you probably get 50% the human eyeball and you got 50 of the machine click. But anyway, so this is to prevent that. So that is enough for the code here explanation. So I'm going to here choose the choose the page option here, and you can see here this page has all bunch of options. I don't see that beautiful background has a bunch of options I can enable to say, but here actually you can put the first name, last name, the email, cell phone address, and so on. But somehow I found that because I'm using AdWeber for the system, I also get response. I'm using less and get response right now. The reason I have get response because I used to join Alex Jeffrey. He's a very, very good online guru. So I follow him for a couple months last year. And I do is creating a web page, the product page, and sell in JVZoo. And JVZoo, they recommend using get response because they just working so seamlessly. It's just like a lead system working with AdWeber, just working so seamlessly. But I heard that the Power Lead system is taking the proactive approach to support other mail vendor that get response, etc. Because they are also very popular, especially popular in JVZoo. And JVZoo is one of the big online information product vendors. So JVZoo, ClickBank, Warrior, they all very big. So and don't get me wrong, JVZoo also supporting the AdWeber as well. I'm just saying that it's just easy. It's just like a click, just like one click and just connecting to the get response in the JVZoo. But Power Lead system is same thing. You just one click, you can connect into the AdWeber. I have a video talk about that. You go to a website and go to AdWeber. So you click that, you just need to enter your AdWeber's unique ID, which is your campaign ID, and that's it. Boom, you connect together. Okay, but that is a video. In previous video, I have that information. You can look at the other video about the AdWeber. But here, I'm just going to use in the first name because I don't want to custom to have enter the phone everything like I'm like investigating them. No. I just want them put the actual email is fine. But here the email looks like it's mandatory. I mean the first name is mandatory, so I have mandatory. Okay, that's fine. Okay, because normally, because I was learned from another internet guru, just say you just get an email, you don't need to worry about it. But here virus system, I found that first thing is good too, because especially the first few email building a relationship, you want to call them by first, and that's good because you don't want the first email and they just unsubscribe you. But if you put the first name, like people put first name and then they email me, it's just me personally, I will probably not unsubscribe because it's my first name. But if something just jump into and I don't even know what the person, maybe I subscribed them before, but they just say hi, hey, and no, it didn't put my name over there. I might think something of the unsolicited email, maybe get my email purchase from something online marketing, purchase a whole bunch of email and just send me email. I will just unsubscribe. But here, my first name, I will just pause a little bit. See, maybe I did subscribe that website. Think about it. So for that purpose, the first thing is really useful for the ability to retain your subscriber. Okay, so I keep that. And you just need to enter your title. The title is not shown on your actually upping page. It just shows here that you actually understand. So you want to put a title because eventually you're gonna have so many upping page. You probably say, okay, well I just gonna have a one up. No, you're gonna have lots of them. Why? Because sometimes you create one upping page for this affiliate and one upping page for your own product, another upping page for maybe same affiliate but different kind of video, different kind of formats. So you want to actually have a system like major upping page. For example, you can say this upping page. I even use the upping page based on the traffic I purchased. Maybe traffic I purchased MLMD.com. Maybe traffic I purchased is traffic for me, and I put dash, and I'll put that the purpose of this upping page. Maybe I plan to maybe this one I using I plan to the promoting the LL360. Maybe next one I'm just only gonna promoting the traffic monsoon, or maybe this one I'm going to promoting my other product, the unlimited traffic system. This is my product. I want to promote my product. You can do anything that you want. And this is the title of the page you want to show to the visitor on their top blue bar, which is the browser top blue bar, which is a browser here, which is you can show like here I have let me show you. I have a different one, webshare.paulfan.net, and you can see here it's talking about broke man woman plane. Okay, the broke man woman plane is the Leaders League 360. They are same thing. And sometimes you will hear the rich man woman plane. That's from my another sponsor, Buffalo. And broke man woman plane is from my first sponsor, Rob. And so this is actually I using their system. That's why I put the system name over there. This is not my system. It's not a system I create. I will not just put something. I will try to honor my sponsor. I try to honor them their system. I borrow them system and to marketing here, and that's why I always put that name over there. But you probably can put any name you want. Your sponsor probably don't okay, as long as you can you can continue to building your downline, and everybody's happy about that. Okay, so I'm going to back to here. Okay, if I'm going to use them, I'm going to use in this one. Okay, this is a topic, or you can put okay, this is a say. So this is my product actually. So I'm going to put my product name, unlimited traffic system. Okay, the website for this one is called unlimited-traffic-system.com. Actually, this is a product I create. Is giving the package of entire money-making website. Okay, just so you know. And take show the survey. Do not show the survey. Show the survey is basically is your opt-in page, your first name, your email, etc. And this one we talk about what kind of field you want you in the survey or in the opt-in page. And step number 3, choose which autoresponder is gonna send to. Because I'm using Aweber for this case, so I didn't choose any autoresponder. But just if you just start, you don't want to spend additional money. I think the basic is $15 per month. You don't want to spend $15 per month. It's okay. Just choose different kind of auto-response, for example, and you can view campaign over there and see the auto-response. And definitely, let me see, you have to click that. They open a new browser. You cannot just right-click and choose new tab. Okay, and you basically will see so many email, and you can view the email, and then from email you can copy, paste the email and change to yours. That's what the purpose of the response. You can even choose something. If you actually have a share code, you can actually get so many different email response. I believe I do have email response for many things like traffic monsoon. I have response for power system lighting. I have a response for happy, like today is Labor's Day, happy Labor's Day. I should create the happy Labor's Day today. Okay, anyway, and I also have lead lighting, broadcasting, just so many of them. Okay, you have a share code, you can do that. But for my case, I gonna say no. Okay, because I'm using Aweber, I do that. And for the domain, if you do not have a domain yet, make sure you set up one. And you can always using the domain from the Power System provide you, which is this one, mysalesystem.com. My sales system that's provided by Power System. If you have a domain, you don't have a domain, you want to get a domain from the Power System, they will give you free. And for example, when I first started, I have a paulfan.mysalesystem.com that's provided by Power System, that's free. Then I have a domain, I get a domain paulfan.net. Then I started have a domain plan paulfan.net, free access.paulfan.net, repshare.paulfan.net, and this is my main website www.paulfan.net. The reason I have so many again is because you want to have a different opt-in page for different kind of affiliate product or your product, or you can actually have different opt-in page, maybe same product, same affiliate product, but what I'm trying to do is I have an opt-in page for like MLM lead. I have opt-in page for the chat for me, opt-in page for human eyeball. The reason I do that is because I want to see which one is more, give me more opt-in rate. But you can also see the opt-in rate. To capture the opt-in rate through the Aweber. That's why Aweber is so powerful. You can actually have a same opt-in page. You don't have to do that in Power System. Create so many systems just for different traffic. As a matter of fact, you can just have just one traffic. Okay, just everybody using the same, and you can just go to the Aweber here and just choose different page here. Okay, hold on. So in step number 4, you can choose the existing subdomain you already create, or if you don't have, just using the Power System give you one, or you can create a new one, and that's the option. Okay, either way. And then step number 5, you can choose your domain about. Do you want the prospect to go after just the survey, which is after the your visitor type their name and email address, what is the next page? Okay, next page normally I would do is just the product page or another video for the customer to actually get more information. Like I have a list of the affiliate page. So this one, a Power System, LL360. This is sales page, and this is step by step. So I will just copy that and put over here, and you can preview. So Once the visitor clicks enter name and email address and click show me, and they will actually see this page. Okay, so that's correct. So this is the page I want them to see. You put over there. And step number 6, would you like to add bonus automatic send to prospect to likely who they will enter their contact information? You can choose yes and no. Some of mine has yes, some of them no. If you choose yes, okay, I have an example show you. This is one of them I create as I create for the bonus. You can see it here, free bonus, and you don't have to even worry about that. The bonus that you don't have this bonus. This bonus is provided by Power System. It's including in the upping page. So basically, once you click the bonus over there, and you click the name and the address, or you can actually click the bonus first. They will actually show you what is the bonus for and give you idea. And another bonus, okay, they will show you if you want to get additional bonus, you not only need to provide your name, also need to provide your friend's name. That's actually very good. Having page here, they have to put the friend's name over here as well to get to have a bonus actually sent to multiple person, and the code. And once they click show me, and they go to this page. So that's what I'm trying to set up. So here is the number 7, search engine optimization. You want to put the description. Maybe the description, it could be like a 2 sentence, something that you can say that this is power the system up in page for unlimited traffic system, and so on. And keyword, you can say, okay, this is unlimited system. You can type as many as you want. That's for the Google search engine optimizer. Submit button, you can say show me or get or instant access. Do not say something like a subscribe or submit. Those, people don't like subscribe or submit. They got like I want it, show me instant access, something like that. Or show me, that's my favorite one. Okay, so once you finish that, okay, you need to click save this one and go to next page. Okay, next setting. Because this is for demonstration purpose, I'm not going to save that, but you will get idea. And then you go, after you save that, you go to the next step. Okay, they will ask you what is the headline. Headline is here, the white space here, and what is above the survey. This is survey. Survey's name, email. Above the survey. Okay, that's the text here, and about the survey, white text. So this is yellow and this white. Okay. So once you did that, you click next step, and you will go to select video. Okay, if you want to use in a video, you can click here. So you can use in the video from PLS system. You can also use in the video from the YouTube. Okay, or choose no video. I want to have video, so you can click the. If you click next, they will ask you the YouTube embedded code. Embedded code in YouTube basically is the one which is shown here. If I show you my YouTube, for example, you go to my channel and you go to the okay, and you go to YouTube video and you click the share, and you will see the one called embed, and just copy. Okay, right click the mouse, copy, and go back to the min and paste here. Okay, that's it. And click save and go to the next one, and you can actually see that you can view your page. Once you view your page, then it will look something like this one, because this is exactly using that template. So you can see that you have a video on the left hand side, and you have a text here, a second text here, and you have bonus, and you have a survey or the page, and has show me, and below it has information. This is all by default. You sign into PL assistant, they will put over there. Click here for email address. Just avoid spam. That's why they show the verification code, and it should show your picture, your email, or just your email information over there. But they first have to verify your email. Okay, or you can provide your phone number or Skype number. So that's how I build the custom opt-in page. Okay, if you like to, you can just do the same thing and choose different template you want. Every template pretty much have the same kind of flow. Thank you so much for watching this, Paul Fan. You have a very blessed day. Bye bye.